Everyone thinks the best-selling LED flame light bulb is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Himpavo Upgraded Flame Bulb. First up, we've got the Himpavo Upgraded LED Flame Light Bulbs. Priced at $14.79, this bulb quickly caught my attention with its promise of a more realistic flame effect. If you want something that truly brings a cozy atmosphere to your home, this is worth a serious look. That means you can switch things up depending on your mood or occasion. Plus, with a lifespan that's 40% longer than standard bulbs, and only using 3 watts of power while emitting 600 lumens, you're not just saving energy, you're creating a beautiful ambience that lasts. Now, some people complained about the color not matching what was shown online. Here's the thing though, as long as you're aware that slight variations can happen, it's not a deal breaker. Many users still rave about how stunning the effect is once it's up and running. This is perfect for you if you love entertaining or just want to add some flair to your living space. Skip this one if you need something that works with dimmer switches, as this bulb is not compatible. For under $15, it delivers great value for lighting. Now, if the slight color issues with the Himpavo bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, BitTrue LED Flame Effect Bulb. Next up is the BitTrue LED Flame Effect Light Bulb. At $29.99 for a pack of 4, this bulb is a bit pricier but offers a unique twist with a gravity sensor feature. If you're aiming for a more dynamic flame effect, you should definitely consider this. What sets this bulb apart? The gravity sensor keeps the flame effect oriented upward, regardless of how the bulb is positioned. This means you can use it in various settings without worrying about how it will look. It also boasts 4 lighting modes and is energy efficient, consuming only 3 watts while providing a bright, flickering effect that mimics a real flame. However, some users mention that it requires a frosted glass lampshade for the best effect. Honestly, that can be a hassle if you don't already have one. But if you're willing to put in that extra step, the realistic flame it creates is well worth it. This is perfect for you if you're decorating for a themed party or want something special for your porch. But if you need something plug-and-play without additional setup, you might want to skip this one. Still, considering the quality and effect, it offers solid value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for creating a cozy atmosphere. Product number 3, Himpavo Flame Light Bulbs 4-pack. Now let's talk about another Himpavo option, their LED flame light bulbs in a 4-pack for $27.99. This caught my eye because it promises the same realistic flame effect, but at a slightly higher quantity. If you want to set the mood in multiple rooms, this is worth a serious look. Just like the first Himpavo bulb, this one provides 4 lighting modes, including an upside-down mode that allows for versatile placement. The flickering effect is designed to mimic a real flame and can be used for various occasions, from Halloween to romantic dinners. Plus, with an efficiency of only 3 watts, it emits a warm light while saving on energy costs. One downside, some reviewers felt the bulbs were less effective in larger spaces. I'll be real with you, if you're planning to light up a big room, you might need several of these to make a noticeable difference. But for smaller spaces or accent lighting, these are absolutely stunning. This is perfect for you if you're decorating for a holiday or need mood lighting in your living area. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can light up a large area by itself. Overall, it's a great value for those looking to create an inviting atmosphere. Now, if you're looking for something with additional design flair, the next one up is really impressive. Product number 4, Hygge Life Flickering Light Bulbs. The next contender is the Hygge Life Flame Light Bulbs, priced at $16.99 for a 2-pack. This one stood out because of its patented design that mimics the gentle sway of a real flame. If you want a more authentic look, this is definitely worth checking out. These bulbs are designed to sway as if they are dancing in a breeze, thanks to a built-in gravity sensor. That's pretty clever and really enhances the ambience. Plus, with a lifespan that's 40% longer than other bulbs and energy efficiency of 90%, you won't have to worry about your electricity bill while enjoying that lovely glow. However, some users have pointed out that the bulbs are not compatible with dimmer switches. This genuinely surprised me because it limits versatility. If you're looking to control the intensity of the light, this might not be the best fit for you. But many users love the effect it creates, making it a worthwhile investment for most. This is perfect for you if you enjoy hosting gatherings or want cozy lighting for your home. Skip this one if you need dimmable options, as it won't meet that need. It's a solid choice for the price, especially given its unique design. Now, if you're interested in something even more versatile, the last product might just blow you away. Product number 5, Hygge Life Upside Down Flame Bulb. Lastly, we've got the Hygge Life Flame Light Bulb, priced at $29.99, which also offers that upside-down effect. This caught my eye for its beautiful design and practicality. If you want something that's both functional and decorative, this could be your go-to. Similar to its sibling, it mimics real flame movements and is designed for easy installation. The 40% extended lifespan means you won't be replacing these bulbs anytime soon, making them a great long-term investment. However, a few users found it frustrating that it doesn't work with dimmer switches. Here's the thing, if you primarily use dimmers for your lighting setups, then this might not be ideal. But if you just want stunning ambient lighting, it's a fantastic option. This bulb is perfect for you if you want to impress guests with your decor or need lighting for special occasions. Skip it if you require dimming features, as that won't work here. In terms of value, it offers a lovely aesthetic with a reasonable price tag. So there you have it, 5 of the best LED flame light bulbs on the market. Whether you're looking for an affordable single bulb, multiple options, or even something with a unique design, there's something for everyone. Take your pick based on your needs and enjoy creating that cozy atmosphere.